Alright, this video is going to give you a little lab tour. So when you come in for lab, you'll be a little bit more oriented with where everything is at. So here we have our lab bench stations. As you come in to the right, here we have microscope storage, and underneath is where you would store your personal belongings. Try to minimize as much materials that you bring into the lab when you do. Really just need your textbook, a notebook, and something to write with. Have a hand washing station, so as soon as you put your things away, you'll wash your hands with soap, warm water. There's a hand washing station here in the back, and then there's one over here as well. See the hand washing sign. At each station there's a bank of drawers here, and in the top drawer are nitrile gloves, some writing instruments, scissors, tape. Other things that we'll be using: lighters, inoculating loops, inoculating needles, and in the bottom drawer we have staining supplies. So these are what we'll be using for the gram stain. Those are found in the bottom drawer. At each station there's a staining sink that we'll be using a few times. Bunsen burners at each table. For right now, as we continue back, we have a place that will store lab coats unless we change the storage option here. Not sure yet. And then in the back here we have some just incubators and more storage. Here's our incubator. That's what we'll put our bacterial plates in. Grow the bacteria at 37 degrees Celsius. Test tube rack storage. And then our autoclave cart. This is where we'll put materials that are biohazardous. So petri dishes that after we analyze them will go in there. We have biohazard waste cans here and here. Those are for things like gloves, paper towels that are used for biohazard spill cleanup. Oh, and I forgot, at the front of each cabinet here, each station, is a hot plate. I don't know, we might not really use these this semester. But that's about it. Just giving you a little overview, tour of the lab.